Hello everyone. Previously we installed WAMP server on our computer so we can install WordPress and be able to run WordPress on our computer. Now let's say you want to update media file to your WordPress website, or you want to change the theme, and you receive this error message where it says exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. So in this video I will talk about how to increase the WordPress maximum upload file size. So here, as we can see, the WAMP server is already installed. If I go ahead run the WAMP server, and here we can see it's up and running. So let's go ahead access the website. We just need to type localhost / the name of the website. I called it my WordPress website. And now in order to be able to access the WordPress dashboard page, we just need to add wp-admin. And then we need to type the username and password. So this is our dashboard page. So let's say if we want to add media, click media, add new. Here we can see the maximum upload file size is 2 megabytes. So how we can increase that, we will talk about that. And to see the error message, select file. Let's say I want to upload this picture, open, and here we can see this picture exceeds the maximum upload size for this website. Now let's say you did purchase a theme and you want to upload a theme to your website. For example, going to the theme forest, WordPress, and then looking for some of these themes, and then let's say one of the theme you liked, you purchased, and you want to upload to your website. For this video demonstration, I'm using the Evolution theme, which is one of the theme by Elegant theme. And for example, if I go to appearance, theme, and if I want to add new, upload, choose file, and then selecting theme, open, install now, here we can see the error message. So how we can fix that? Because I'm using WordPress on my local machine using the WAMP server, I need to go to the WAMP directory where I have the WordPress installed, and I need to modify .htaccess file. So the WordPress directory on my local machine is on C drive, WAMP64 folder, and then www folder, and then here you should be able to see your website. Mine, I called it my WP website. So double click, and here we should be able to see the htaccess. It is better to make backup of this file, or we can just right click and copy and paste, so we know this copy.htaccess, that's the original .htaccess, the backup, just in case. And now let's go ahead modify this .htaccess. Right click, open with. You can choose one of the text editors you have installed on your system. If you don't have any text editor installed, you can simply use Notepad. And I'm going to go ahead and use Atom. But because only this time I want to open it with Atom, I'm going to go ahead, deselect this one and click OK. Next, we need to add the following scripts. So here we can see it says the max file size 256. You can change it to any file size you want. And so let's go ahead, copy all this. And then we need to import it into our htaccess file. We need to paste right before where it says end WordPress. So we can right click and paste here. So it has to be between if module and end WordPress. These are the scripts we need to add. Let's go ahead, save the file. And if I go back to the website, click back to go back to the dashboard. Let's click on media, add new. Now here we should be able to see the maximum upload file size is 256 megabytes. Now I should be able to select files. Let's say this picture I want to upload, open, and I should be able to upload. Now let's say you want to increase the maximum upload file size. Again, we have to go back to .htaccess and then change these values. Let's say 512, and change this one as well to 512. We need to save, Control S, or by clicking File, Save. Going back to the dashboard, refresh the page, click Media, add New. Here we can see now it says 512 megabytes. So after we change the maximum upload file size, it should apply for the theme as well. So if I go to the Appearance, Theme, if I click Add New, Update Theme, choose File. So here we can choose our theme, open, and then install now. Now it's unpacking the package, installing the theme, and the theme installed successfully. So if I go back to the theme, I should be able to see the theme. And let's click Activate, and let's see the site. So this was an example of how to increase the WordPress maximum upload file size. Again, because I was using WordPress on my computer using WAMP server, I had to go to this directory here. C WAMP64 www and the name of the website. And then we had to modify .htaccess. We had to add the following scripts. Now if you are using on a live server, let's say if you are using SiteGround or TMD hosting or GoDaddy or HostGator, you just need to go to your cPanel, File Manager, and then you need to click Settings and show all the hidden files as well, and click on .htaccess, edit, and you need to add this into your htaccess file. At the end you need to save, then you should be able to upload. And if you want to learn how to install WordPress on your local computer, I will add the link to this video description. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and have a good day.